Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today, this video, let me show you a high-end machine. This is a 60-inch M1 MAX. The RAM is 64 gigabytes and the SSD is 4 terabytes. And you can see the battery capacity is 94%. And you can see the keyboard is okay, good condition. But there's a big problem several times. Later I will show you the port traces of use, no problem. Little bit of traces of use. And the other side, 16-inch, too heavy, too heavy. The traces of use, no problem. And the logo, oh, okay, it's okay. Logo, no scratch. And the other side, okay, no scratch, no scratch. But the screen, let me show you. Now you can't see the screen the problem. You don't know the screen the problem. In this paper you cannot see it. Now let me change the wallpaper. You will see it. The wallpaper, the screen aging. Now you can see. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? The screen. You can see this side and this side. A little bit red. Can you see? So the price is lower. This is 16 inch. The 16-inch display is very expensive. So the price is lower. This machine, 11,000 CNY. Only because this screen. You can see this screen. A little bit. I changed another color. You can see it clearly. Have you seen? Yes. This side and this side. The middle is okay. The middle is okay. This is original screen, but this screen may be old. The screen aging. So if you edit video, if you for the design work, it's okay. It's not edited code. It's not a big problem. The performance is very powerful. Okay, this machine, 11,000 CMI. Okay, I'm Matt. Thank you for watching my video. And if you want to know more about the wholesale market, you can subscribe to me. I will share more information about this market and this market wholesale the MacBook, all the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.